Hey there guys, I am finally back with an autumn recipe, and the video I've seen last week was pre-recorded, so here we go. You want to take a pumpkin. I use Hokkaido because you can use it with with everything basically. You want to cut it open, remove the seeds from the inside, and then cut it into very small pieces. Don't you love my Slytherin robe? It was very hard to film this because my camera is broken right now and I had to use my phone. So yeah, I hope that the future videos will be better. Now you want to cook that with a little bit of sugar in the water for 20 minutes, and when it has cooled down a little bit and you've removed the residue water, you want to make it a nice pumpkin puree. In a bowl, you want to mix sugar and butter for about 5 minutes, and you will see a dramatic change in texture. Now you want to go ahead and add the eggs. You want to take your pumpkin puree and add some orange juice, and you can also add some orange peel if you want to, and mix that together. Now you want to add half of the pumpkin mixture and add that into your butter. Then add in some flour, about half of the flour. And you want to add the rest of the pumpkin. And then the rest of the flour. Lastly, you want to add the spices as well as some baking soda. And mix really well so it's distributed evenly. And last but not least, you can add in some nuts. I used walnuts, and these are chopped up a little bit so they're not too big in the dough. And then you can put it into your cake tin and bake this with 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, I would say, depending on the baking tin that you use, 45 to 60 minutes. And this is the finished cake. It's very delicious, has a very nice spicy pumpkin taste. I hope you try it. Have a wonderful fall, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!